Chromosomes and genes, unlocking the code of life. Have you ever wondered what makes you unique or how your body knows how to work? The answer lies within your DNA. But to truly understand this, we need to explore two key players, chromosomes and genes. Let's break it down step by step with visuals and easy analogies. Chromosomes are like tightly packed suitcases coiled with a special material called DNA. Inside, they carry your entire genetic instructions. Meanwhile, genes are smaller sections of DNA within chromosomes, like pages inside a book, each dedicated to specific traits or instructions for your body. Imagine a chromosome as a giant book. This book holds the complete story of you. Chromosomes are long, thread-like structures made of DNA, which is tightly coiled to fit neatly inside your cells. Each of us has 23 pairs of these books carrying our genetic story. When scientists say your chromosomes carry genetic information, they mean they contain detailed instructions for building and operating your body, much like a recipe book outlining every detail. These instructions are fundamental to who we are as individuals. Now picture this. If a chromosome is a big book, genes are like the chapters or pages within it. Each gene focuses on one small part of the story, such as your eye color, height, or even how your body digests food. They are where the magic of traits happens. Genes are specific segments of DNA that give your body precise instructions to create proteins. Proteins are like builders. They construct everything from muscles to enzymes, determining how our bodies grow, function, and repair themselves. Here's an exciting twist. DNA is the incredible material that makes both chromosomes and genes possible. Think of DNA as an intricate thread that needs to be tightly folded to form chromosomes. When it unravels like a spool of ribbon, we can see segments of it. These are the genes. DNA is made up of 4 chemical bases, A, T, G, and C. Just like letters in an alphabet, these bases combine into sequences that form words, and those words become the instructions that genes pass along to your body. Visualize it as a language encoded into your biology. To make this clearer, let's imagine your body is a library. Chromosomes are the bookshelves, genes are the individual books on those shelves, and DNA is the ink on the pages. Together, they store, organize, and deliver all the knowledge required to create you. For example, one page in the gene book might tell your body, "Make this protein to give curly hair." Another page might say, "Here's how to make the pigment for your eye color." It's an efficient system where every piece works together perfectly. Chromosomes and genes play a direct role in defining our traits. From eye color and height to susceptibilities to certain diseases, our genetic makeup is determined by these tiny biological structures. But they don't work alone. Environment and lifestyle choices also influence how these traits develop. For instance, a person might inherit genes that predispose them to be athletic, but without proper exercise or nutrition, those traits may not fully develop. Genetics gives us potential, while our choices unlock it. Let's go deeper. How does all this actually work in your body? Think of your chromosomes as locked books. When needed, your cells unlock them by uncoiling and unwinding the DNA. Once unwound, the specific gene pages needed are read to create proteins that do the work. An animation illustrating DNA uncoiling would show how genes come to life. This process happens millions of times daily in your cells. It's like a librarian carefully picking specific books and pages depending on the body's needs. Learning about chromosomes and genes isn't just science, it's understanding what makes us human. It shows us how we inherit traits, why we look different from one another, and how genetic research helps uncover solutions to diseases. The better we understand, the more we can improve how we care for our health. Knowing how genes work also helps explain inherited conditions, like how you might have your mom's brown eyes, or why a family might share certain risks for disorders. It's a fascinating way to connect our biology to real-world outcomes. To sum up, chromosomes are like bound books. intricately packed with DNA, while genes are specific chapters or pages within those books that give detailed instructions about who we are and how we function. Together, they form the foundation of life, guiding every process in our bodies. Thanks to biological science, we can now appreciate these invisible wonders working tirelessly inside us, defining the traits that make each of us special. Did this unlock your curiosity? Make your next move. Read more about genetics, explore interactive tools, or even try creating your own DNA model at home. Share this video with friends and spark a conversation about what makes us unique. Let's uncover the blueprint of life together